7th, 15:40 hours, Monday. My name is Jason Mowad, and hear that crack? It's I think 180 degrees out, 200% humidity. Just kidding. I'm making fun of what's not so fun. The choking fucking humidity and smog and heat that engulfs this area in the summertime. So what I'm doing today is something a little different than what I normally would do. Normally, no matter what the weather is, I go out and battle it, do whatever I gotta do, push myself through it, suffer, whatever. Sometimes that's good, but not all the time. So I had this great little thought in my head. I don't know if it was my thought or where it came from, but it said, I woke up tired, sore. Oh fuck, it's 1,000,000 degrees out. So I just said, you know what? I'm not doing it. I'm not doing anything I don't want to do today. How about that? How about that, world? And guess what? I'll wake up tomorrow and I'll still be here and alive. And I'm saying, giving a big middle finger to any obligations or things I'm supposed to do today. Says who? Do things when I want to do them. When they're good for me, for once. Not catering to the world and everyone in it first, and then give myself the fucking scratch second. No. Those days are over. That all is contained in that 3D matrix bullshit that most people are still living in. Not me. Gotten away from my making videos for a few weeks. And I realized I better start getting back doing them again. Over the weekend, because I had one very, very, very weak, evil thought. But still, I had it anyway. Just the thought of having that thought, it makes me have to react. So my thought was, just fuck it. Fuck the videos. Fuck the YouTube videos. Nobody watches them anyway. Even though I make them for me, because it's fun and, I want to document things. And it's a lot of fun. And it's a good way of venting. For me, it's an excellent outlet. It's been an excellent outlet for the past couple of years, since I started the channel 2.5 years ago. Because I'm a basic, loner by nature. And at this stage of the game, my age, 49 and 8 months. 49 and 8 months year old is how I am, how old I am. I hate that, man. That proves I'm how old I am, because lately, not lately, I don't know, for a while now, sometimes things just evaporate out of my head, just disappear. It's really fucking annoying. But I gotta let it go. I try to chase it and find out what the word was or whatever I was saying, and drive myself nuts. So I forget about it, and usually it, rear its ugly head. Speaking of music, I have not did a dancing video in a while. I can't remember when the last one. Well, I think I still got it. So maybe I will try to dance a little bit, because that exercises a lot of demons and a lot of things out of me. Not to mention it's fun and it's a great workout. Let's see, maybe I'll throw myself under the bus, not under the bus, but I'll throw myself out there for something really hard. I like to do that. What I'll do is, perhaps maybe I'll end this video with a song, dancing with no warm-up, no nothing, all right? Let's pick a song. It's gonna be something by, actually be one of my tier 1 bands. That's a good song. Alright, I know. No, it's taking too long. Damn it. Good to end it on. No, sorry. I'm sorry. Fuck. Before I met you, deep regrets I never could forget you. Somehow you made your way to my decade. Hey-oh. I think that's a bad idea, adding dancing to this vlog. It's just a vlog. It's what, I'm at 7 minutes? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this and then make another entry a couple hours. Maybe late afternoon or something, see what's going on. And then I'll do another one later this evening. Capture my mood, put it out there on this vlog video. That's what it is, a vlog, coffee. No need for perfection. You know what I mean. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! 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 Man, thank you. Whoa! Ow! Oh! Absorb some of that energy, huh? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Cold, I don't want to miss a second. If I am recording. Yeah, let me get a fucking shirt. I'm fucking freezing. Whoa! Got my bench. At least that's something. Fuck! I'm gonna have to bring this in, man. Fucking motherfucker. Look, my tripod fucking leggings. I got stuck in a trap. Oh, straight with it. Fuck you, tripod. I break these things like fucking candy, man. Hold on, let me come in out of the storm for a second. Be civilized. Oh, it's fucking. Oh, it's this tripod, man. I wish they could make one that is Jason proof. One that I won't break. You know, and I'm not even trying to break them. It's just manual use. Oh, there's some more lightning. I'm not going to press my luck too much further. It's accelerating now. Alright, going in. And as soon as I say that, I knew a big one would happen. So I have to fake it. I'm going in. Ooh, this is no. Well, I think so. No, fence. Whoa.